I got into surfing when I was 4 years old. My mum got me a surfboard. From there on, I was always out surfing. When I was 15 years old, I did work experience down at the local surfboard factory. That was the point in time when everything sort of came together. I was selling surfboards to friends and teachers and mates. A day of note for me would be the last day of my work experience week down at the surfboard factory, and that day I actually shaped my first surfboard. The first surf that I had on it, I was actually surprised that it actually went. I was very excited. It was the start for me of Hayden Shapes. What drives me is knowing that I can do what I'm currently doing better. Being in your own business, designing your own products and going out and experiencing it yourself, is that you can improve on that. It's through different collaborations or different projects that you push yourself into new territory and challenge yourself to learn new things. The most rewarding part of what I do is listening to other surfers have a great time and have a lot of fun riding the boards that I design. That's what surfing is. It's going out there having a lot of fun, exploring for new waves and having moments either to yourself or with your mates that you'll always remember.